Here in the top, we have a video element. It looks like an image, but it's actually a video element. So select it and you will see that little play option shows us that this is a video element. But it doesn't look like a YouTube video, though it is. If you select it, you will see that we have a YouTube link here. But what has happened here to keep consistent with this website, and sometimes you don't want the YouTube logo to appear, we have applied under under player, we've applied a cover image, a custom cover image. Delete it, and then you will now see that the original YouTube video shows. First thing we need to do is bring in our own YouTube link. Okay, I'm going to grab from anyone's channel that's anything to do with printing and simply select share and then copy that link. We go back into Brizy and then select our options under video and link. Select that and paste, Control V, Command V, and we get our new link. Now, actually, I don't think it's bad. The way it's written there, print shop tour and shop tour, if your video on YouTube does that, it's actually more impactful because it will draw people in with this text. But let's stick to the original design and bring in a cover image. So we do that. We go over to player, cover image. And then where did I bring in the YouTube? That was this one. So that's 0. Okay, this one. O2, video cover. And then select it. And it gives us the video cover again with the image. And then again, it gives us this play button. Let's style out the play button to a different color. It's pink at the moment. Let's put it on white. And we put the play button, which is the icon, on maroon. And when you hover over it, it's already nicely done. And now we've updated our video. We've added a link to the video. We've changed the cover image, give ourselves a medallion, and move on to the next chapter.